What's up, everybody? Here we are with 2018 Tier 1 Baseball PYT number 4. Divisional number 3 up next. And then we will run a filler for PYT number 5. After PYT number 5, we'll try filler for Dominion number 1. We've had several today. Springer bat now coming up. That'd be an aggressive call, my friend. An aggressive and call indeed. Good luck, guys. I have no idea. For the Mets, number to 160, Dominic Smith. To like $3 a card, maybe. I don't know. Ozzie, 275, and to 335, Matt Olson. I'm only gonna pick up, I believe, 1 or 2 more, and that'll put me at 10. I mean, actually, maybe 2 or 3 more. I'm either at 7 or 8 right now. I'm not sure. Number to 285, Trevor Story. Ramil Tapia to 275. And number to 400, Severino. Number to 275, Harrison Bader. Number to 265, Raisel Iglesias. To 335, Andrew Miller. Long term. Unless they quickly escalate to like $2,000. In which case, then it'd be short term. Number 235, Adrian Beltre. Anthony Banda to a 275. To 335, Craig Kimbrell. Like, if they hit to like $2,000, I'll sell half, get all my money back, and free roll 5 of them. Alex Verdugo to 295. Number 295, Sean Newcomb. To 335, Alex Bregman. What's up, Brad? Yeah, man, I enjoy light free rolls. Yeah, Brad. What's up, homie? Trey Mancini to 100. Number to 275, Christian Arroyo. To 335, Chris Archer. Miguel Andujar, number to 275. Number to 265, Tim Beckham. To 335, Josh Harrison. Negative. Wilson Contreras to 130. Bradley Zimmer to 295. Number to 335, Dylan Betances. And number to 25, Altuve. Nice patch. Very nice. Number to 30, Mark McGuire for the A's. Number to 145, Jake Lamb. Number to 335, Daniel Murphy. What, the Dominion? Are you saying confirmed, the used goose? Dominion is NASTYYYYYYYY. Number to 225, Ozzy Albies. Number to 265, Nicky Delmonico. 335, Wilson Contreras. And 175, Pedro Martinez. Number to 285, Jose Barrios. Number to 25, Dellin Betances. Number to 335, Adam Jones. I feel like we might need to... Dominion looks really good. I had a great feeling about it, man. What's up, Douglas? Maybe after the division, we'll try and hurry up and sneak a Dominion in. Ricky Henderson to 50. I said earlier that the A's were... Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, just a jersey. Ricky Henderson. Alex Wood, number to 285. 330. Oh. Didi Gregorius. Who got the Stros? Look at you, Stopa. Number to 5. Nolan Ryan for the Astros. That is disgusting.
Just one.
Okay. The Express, indeed. What a beautiful card. Beautiful. And that was the break, guys. Thank you all. Appreciate it.